Hi everyone, this is Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. Today I'm taking part in the Celebrate the Holidays, and we'll get to more information about that in just a couple of minutes. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. And if you're not a subscriber, think about subscribing to my channel. Now let's get right into this. Alright, this is a house from the Dollar Tree. And it came out around Halloween time last month or so, and I decided that I was going to turn this more into a Christmas house. Me growing up as a child, the only thing that really excited me about Christmas was going around and looking at all the houses and the lights at Christmas time and singing carols. Christmas at home was just, it's just Christmas. My older sister kind of ruined that for me, so I was okay. I found a joy in other things of Christmas, and now my joy is seeing the houses and the lights and seeing my grandchildren and my children. So I am just using red, apple barrel bright red on this, and I only have to do, surprisingly, like 1.5 coats on this, and it was a thick enough coat where I didn't have to keep going over. I know red is really translucent, and a lot of times it's hard to cover up stuff underneath, but this did a really good job. So I'm painting everything, even the roofs, and I'm going to go back and paint the roofs black, and then I'm going to put snow on them afterwards, so you'll get to see what that looks like. So I'm just going ahead and getting this all finished up, painting it. I'm finishing up the red, and then I'm going to grab my apple barrel black paint and start painting all the roofs. Now, once I get this done, I've lost some footage and you don't see me actually putting the snow on, but what I end up doing is just dry brushing the white everywhere you would see snow on, like roofs, ledges, and stuff like that. And you'll be able to see what that looks like when I am done. And today, if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell and give me a big thumbs up, that helps my channel grow. But today, the collaboration is called Celebrate the Holidays. The host is Maria from Bargain Bluebird, and her co-host is Mom from DIY with MomDas. So the information will be in the description box, their channels, as well as the playlist. So let's get right back into this. Okay, as you can see, you can tell where I put the dry brush, the white over the roofs to make them look more snowy. And I've got this piece of wood. It is 1x4, and I got the ends curved. And I had grabbed those lights. I was going to use them, but I ended up not using them. But I pulled them out, and I ended up not using them. And then I decide to go ahead and grab some turquoise paint. Don't know why I did it. I completely covered it up. But I'm thinking, oh, grass. Well, duh, snow. You know, snow's on grass in the wintertime, at least where I'm from Utah, and you get snow on the ground. So to me that means Christmas. So I'm just kind of looking, figuring out. I've got those pine needles, twist ties from the Dollar Tree, and I'm kind of figuring out what I'm going to be doing with those. I'm like, no, that's not going to be a good tree. That's not going to work. So I decided, nope, I'm going to change my mind on that. And then that's when I decided to go ahead and paint the base, the turquoise. So this is when I go ahead and I put that turquoise on, and you see me painting it, and then all of a sudden it's white. And what I end up doing, I didn't paint white over it. What I did was I got Snow Tex, which I've had for years, and I just covered the whole thing up with the Snow Tex once I got the house glued on. And I used some of those little mini blocks from the Dollar Tree to secure it from the back, and that's how I'm able to get the house to stand up. As you can see, I got it standing up, and I used some of those twist ties and made little trees, and then I had these little Christmas packages, and I glued those on. And now I'm just taking white cardstock, and I'm cutting it in small pieces to go behind all the windows, so it looks like all the lights in the house are on. And once that is done, this project will be finished. I did go ahead and add some more of the twist ties just to fill it up more on the sides there. But that is it on this Christmas or this video for this collaboration. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Like I said, there's certain things about Christmas that is just very dear and special to me, and this is one of them, driving around and seeing the way people light up and decorate their homes. To me, that is a very fun thing, and it reminds me of good memories of doing it. And don't forget to check out my description box. Down there I have the co-host channel links, as well as the playlist link, and a bunch of really exciting information. I'm a Amazon affiliate, and my link is down there, as well as my link tree. And if you go there, you get to find a whole lot of other things. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Like I said, don't forget to give me that subscribe and give me a thumbs up. You hit that notification bell twice, hit all, and you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You all have a blessed week, and call somebody and tell them you love them. Also, be the Bible that somebody reads today. Bye.